How's it going, guys?
So what can Jill's office do for me?
Jill's office, we're virtual receptionists, so we answer phones, schedule appointments, and make outbound calls and follow-up calls for people like you guys, pressure washers, small business owners that want to work hard and get out there and get the job done. We can help you get that done by helping you in your office by taking phones.
But I know how to answer the phone. It's just hello, right?
Answering the phone it's kind of a science, and to understand how to handle that science, that's something that we do. In fact, I was just looking at this. In the last 2 weeks alone, we've taken over 50,000 phone calls, talked for 29 straight days in our office. So phone calls are something that we do, and we're really good at it.
What is the average phone call length?
The average length for us, if we're scheduling, it's right around 4 to 5 minutes. But if it's just taking phone call, taking message, it's right around 2 to 3.
What are some benefits of having a receptionist answer the phone call?
One thing is cost. Cost is a big thing. We're paying the insurance, we're paying the taxes and everything like that. And then on top of that, we train. We do everything in-house and we're here US based to make sure that everything's happening proficiently for you to make your business successful.
How many Jills do you have in your office?
We have 90.
90 Jills answering all those phone calls?
Yeah.
Awesome. What is something that if I can't afford it or I need to look at something, what is a tip that you could give about answering the phone?
Something is that when you're out doing your job, make sure to try to get all the phone calls you can. But at the same time, making sure that when you're answering the phone call, even when you're working, to always have a pleasant sounding voice. Just because sometimes it's like, you don't want to be like, hey, hello. Make sure, put down the pressure washer for a second. Be like, hey, how are you? And, make sure to ask their names, ask for their phone number, ask for their email, ask for that important information so you can keep them as a contact and reach back out to them later.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.